Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. If you need USD bank account online without leaving the comfort of your home, consider to stay tuned to this video and see top 3 websites that you can use to create a free USD bank account that you can use to receive USD from anywhere in the world without any stress. Let me show you how. So if you open up your browser then you go ahead, you come to this particular website right here, getclever.com. So on getting to getclever.com, USD payment without border. Get paid in dollars regardless of anywhere you base, save and spend in dollar. Enjoy life without financial burden. This particular website here, they also have app on Android with Google Play Store. They have app on iPhone, which is App Store. You can download their app and then create a free account. You can receive funds in USD. You can scroll down right here and read more details about this particular uh, website right here. You can also be given virtual USD card that work anywhere, like on Netflix, Amazon, AliExpress, Apple Pay, Shopify, and etc. And you want to create a free USD account, come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on products. Under products, go ahead and click on USD account. So get a USD account in your name and even as non-US residents. Go ahead and click on that and it's going to take you right here. Your passport to borderless payment, seamless across border payment, powered by Clever USD account. Go ahead and click on create an account. Sign up with your legal details. So once you sign up with your legal detail, that is your rename, your everything, then create your account in Clever. Then step 2 is verify your KYC, which is also known as identity verification with government issue ID, which can be international passport, driver's license, as the case may be. Then once your KYC has been approved by Cleverland, then you get your Cleverland USD account that you can send to anyone that wants to send you money in USD. It's that simple. Let's take a look at the second website I have for you right here. So if you open up your browser and you come to this particular website right here, gree.co. So this is another great website that you can use to create a free USD bank account that you can use to receive payments anywhere in the world. So on getting to the site, you can scroll down and read details about this site and then come down below right here. They have app on Google Play Store for every Android user and for every iPhone user. Just go to App Store and then search for Greek code. And you can start download and install the app on your iPhone and or iPhone. Then after that, create a free account. Once you create a free account, then you need to make sure you verify your KYC. On the web, you can come down below right here and click on foreign account. So once you click on foreign account, it takes you right here. The bank account for modern professionals. Open a free foreign bank account to receive payment globally. No minimum deposit required. Just like so. You can scroll down right here and read details. Just like so. As far as this particular website is concerned, you can also come to the products from the top right here, which allow you to navigate to foreign account. Once you click on foreign account, it takes you to the particular page as well. Then go ahead and click on get your SNAP. Once you click on get your SNAP, you'll be asked to sign up with your detail and then make sure you fill in all your details as you have it on your international passport or whatever government issue ID card you have. You can sign up with your full account as the case may be. So this is the second one I have for you. And let's take a look at the very third one right here. If you come to your web browser and then you visit this particular website, fincra.com. I'm getting to this site here. You can read details. This site here, you can, with secure payment gateway, which means your customer can pay you with a secure payment gateway via debit or credit card, bank transfer, M-Pesa, mobile money, and pay attitude. So here, you can come to the top right here, click on products right here. This will give you all details about what they can offer as far as the site is concerned. You can go ahead and click on virtual account. When you click on virtual account, then it's going to take you right here. Eliminate payment collection barrier with virtual account. Get a virtual account in USD, Euro, Great British Pound, and Nigerian Naira to receive payment from anyone, anywhere. A virtual account works just like a regular bank account. Just go ahead and click on create a free account. Once you create a free account, verify your KYC, and after that, a dedicated USD account or Euro account or Great British account will be assigned for you that you can use to send it to anyone that wants to send you payment into your Incra account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about online payment like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.